Here's a tour of the breakfast buffet ng Henan Palm Beach Resort. So this is Palm Tree Restaurant and masarap kumain ng breakfast dito dahil maganda ang view ng dagat habang ikaw ay nagbe-breakfast. So we booked a premier room na may kasama ng breakfast buffet and ito yung mga food nila. They have healthy breakfast breads at iba't ibang uri ng pastries. Favorite namin dito ay yung ube pandesal and cheese bread na masarap i-partner sa champurrado. Ube champurrado ang offer nila for this day na talaga namang napakasarap. It's rich, creamy at saktong-sakto lang ang sweetness niya. They also have homemade jams, fresh fruits, cornflakes and soup na patok sa mga foreign guests dito. Meron din silang salad station, congee, pancake, French toast, and waffle. Complete din sila for Filipino breakfast. May plain rice, garlic rice, chicken, pork, and beef. Meron ding eggs and bacon. Meron din pala silang mango, apple juice, and free-flowing na hot and iced coffee. Isa itong Henan Palm sa mga pinaka-favorite naming resorts dito sa Boracay dahil talagang napakasarap ng breakfast nila and maganda rin ang view ng restaurant na katapat mismo ng dagat ng Boracay. So that's it for this vlog and save this for your next Boracay trip. Bye!